All right. Good morning. It is the day after Christmas, and we are over here at Ikea just to do some window shopping and maybe get some lunch. Maybe get some Swedish meatballs. Love the Swedish meatballs. So, yeah, we'll vlog as we go along in Ikea. Yeah, somebody did. Very festive.
And it can also double as like a kitchen.
How'd that work?
Oh yeah.
So I realized yesterday we didn't end the vlog, and it was because, frankly, it was Christmas, and I just ended up spending time with my family. That's kind of what Christmas is about, right? So we didn't end the vlog. I didn't actually end up filming a lot of things. We just, after we ate, that was basically it.
They have a reading corner, and plus there's down there. So like I could sleep down there or something. Cause I would sleep down there.
It's actually so cool.
I know, right? I would sleep down there. Oh, welcome to Babyland, everybody.
Welcome to Babyland. All right. What are we getting? Meatballs and more meatballs?
I don't know what they want. Try to go get
Ooh.
I got three already. Anything else? Can I do the 8 meatballs with no peas?
Look at a good view. Alright, so as I was saying, didn't close out the video last night for Christmas. But that's mainly because, again, we wanted to spend time with family. And so basically after we ate, we kind of just chit-chatted for a while. And then we opened Christmas presents. So that was cool. Had some Christmas presents with the family. And then after that, we took some family pictures. And then played Scattergories. And I forgot how fun that game is. Scattergories was a good board game. And we played like 8 rounds of Scattergories. So that was good. And by that time, we were really tired and got ready for bed. So it was a good night. Had a good time with family. Nice Christmas holiday. All right, so finished up at the restaurant in Ikea. It was delicious as usual. I don't really want to do a review because we always get the same thing. We get the meatballs because the meatballs are good. Nice and savory with the gravy. And you add the little lingonberry jam on the side to add a little bit of sweetness. So you get a little bit of the sweet and salty. So that's great. It had mashed potatoes, peas. I didn't know you could get it without the peas. I thought it kind of just came as a meal like that. But Courtney got extra mashed potatoes and no peas. So maybe next time I will order that. Emily had the mac and cheese, and she decided it was really great, but she was already kind of full because she ate before we left the house, so she probably should have gotten a cup instead of the bowl of mac and cheese. And then she also had the chocolate cake, which she was too full to really have anything more than just a bite of it. So I had it, and it was good. It's been sitting out in a fridge, but it was still very moist. But very dense, more like a brownie than a chocolate cake, but good flavor, not super sweet, but very chocolatey. So I did enjoy that as well. And then I also had a side of garlic bread. Garlic bread just goes along with the meatballs. So Lily, for whatever reason, decided to get a side of gravy and really put everything in the gravy. She put her French fries, she put her meatballs, she put her garlic bread, and she said it was delicious. So that's one thing to try next time. And now we're just going to go through the rest of Ikea. We're going to go downstairs to the marketplace part and do a little bit more shopping. And then we'll be headed over to, I think we're going to go to Target because we got some gift cards for Target. So we'll see about doing a little bit more shopping there. Spending some Boxing Day looking at sales. I like the gray better. Oh, although the green probably will be better at... No, I like the gray one better, yeah. I was thinking if the green would be better to show off the dish towels. Yeah, it's square. Alrighty, and that wraps up our video at Ikea on the day after Christmas. If you like this video, please hit that like button, hit subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get notified of new videos on our channel. And as always, no matter where you find yourself on this journey, please take a moment, however brief, to take a closer look at life. Bye for now.